You are the referee. No whistle, no jersey, just your loop and 3 stones breathing under one lamp. The first, a diamond born when the planet was a baby, 3 billion years of pressure folded into 4 carats of pure silence, like it waited eons just to meet you. The second, identical twin, but born in a reactor 2 weeks ago, perfect, cold, already bored, like a beautiful lie you almost believe. The third, the infamous Moissanite, wearing a diamond costume, pretending it belongs. Sweet little faker. Tilt, 1 millimeter. Light rushes in, fire flashes, and now you know, no guesswork, this is real, mantle-born 3 billion years ago. That certainty? It's like the first kiss, sudden, absolute, unforgettable. Because gemology isn't about winning or losing. It's about proving love exists in physics. 1 breath, 1 verdict, $50,000 or $500, fortune or fable. The stones don't speak, you do. Then the world opens. Antwerp, 200 mealy stones, loop fogging like breath on glass. De Beers on the line, waiting for your yes. Jaipur, hologram live, teaching cutters how inclusions look like frozen waterfalls. Tiny rivers trapped in diamonds, whispering gemology to anyone who'll listen. Bangkok, opals thump onto the bench by motorcycle. You veto 3 cuts, keep the one that mirrors the moon on the Chow Pariah, because it felt right in your hand. New York, Christie's, gavel poised, your voice steady. Colombian, flawless, provenance clean, like you're reading destiny out loud. Somewhere in Dubai, a mother smiles, her daughter's future ring just got certified real by your eyes, your hands. And yes, some mornings you're on 47th Street, behind a velvet counter. A prince leans in, whispers, will she believe it? You tilt, light kisses the diamond. You nod once, yes. The deal closes, a kingdom shifts. That's gemology, not just geology, not just economics. Love with a loop, a field that lets you be economist, physicist, poet, scientist, jury, archaeologist, matchmaker, all at once. So if you're choosing a career, imagine every flash is a kiss, every cut is a promise, every stone is a heartbeat older than continents, older than oceans, older than regret. And here's the secret no one tells you. Gems remember everything. The fire, the fight, the hand that held them. You touch one, you inherit its whole story, like falling for someone without asking permission. Stick around. Next week, live opal cuts, real-time sale. You might catch your future in the facets. Subscribe before the world buys without you.